Today we are going to see about Sitecore branch template. This is Sadish Kumar from SK channel. Let us into the topic. Before going to the topic, I want to say our important message. Please subscribe the channel. Then only whatever the videos I am posting will reach you automatically. Let us into the topic. Okay. What is branch template? Branch template enable user to create a multiple item using a reusable predefined structure. Normally you can use a data structure or command, we use a data template or a command template to create a reusable structure. So it will enable a multiple user can use the same structure. That is branch template. For an example, I'm giving a grandparent structure, grandparent, parent, child, sibling. So this structure can be created. This structure, same structure can be used for another user only. It's applicable for the another family structure. Grandparent, parent, child, sibling. So this is a structure data template I have created. So using this, I am going to create a branch template. So what happens is you can easily able to use this branch, this family branch to all the users, whether he is a German user or English, he is from UK, he is some different language, the same template can be used. That is called branch template. Let us into the topic. So I will show you a small demo so that you will get a firm information about the branch template. Today we are going to see about the branch template. So for that, I have already created 4 templates. That is for producing the tree structure. I created a 4 template, that is data template, sibling, parent, and child. And I'm going to create grandparent as well. Template. Bear with me, it will take some time. Folders will be shared. Next. Grandparents and details. So name, age, occupation as well. Grandparent details. I am publishing this. Okay. It's published. Okay, so previously I already created siblings, parents, child, grandparents. Okay, let us create a branch template here. In this branches folder, we shall define creating new template called new folder. Sorry, let us name it as family details. Okay, so that I'm going to create a new branch. Okay, new branch template. So first I'm going to the template I have created. So I'm selecting grandparents first. Okay, after you have selected grandparents, you will get a dollar name children. So in that children, I'm right clicking and selecting insert from template. Okay, here I'm going to select parent. Okay, the same data template, family folder. I'm selecting parent. The parent, sibling, child template I already created. So I said new parent, let it be, and inside beneath the parent I'm going to create what is a child template. Let it be no child. So parents have siblings, right? So the new parent line insert sibling template. So I'm selecting sibling as well. It should be new sibling. Okay. Now I have created a new branch template called grandparents and new parents to child siblings. I'm going to publish this last template. So publish from family details. Publishing from family details. Now I have created a branch template using the existing template. Okay, existing template. So it's nothing but we need to create a branch template using the existing template. Okay. So what or you create a data template or command template, and using that you can create a branch template. Now I have created a branch template which has a tree structure, parent, child, and sibling. Okay. Now let us see how we can consume this in content. Okay. Now let us see how to insert item. I'm inserting the branch template. The branch template is nothing but it's available in the branches folder of the template. You go down, user define family details, you will see grandparent. This is our branch template. So inserting the template, this new grandparent item. So now see, grandparent has parent and two siblings. This item was created from a single branch template. So what I have done is already existing or newly created data template. I have consumed in branch template, and I have created item based on the branch template. So you can provide data as well. So blanks is age 43. Similarly, the child you can give data C1. So just for purpose I have used this field section. You can map any data template into the branch template or child as a template. It will create a structured, organized structure. Okay. So here this child one I will be paying. Okay, and parents P I'm giving 43, and grandparents I'm giving G and it's around 80. Okay. So what is the use of branch template? Branch template you use one example. So a multi-site. So for example, if you create a base site in some language, say maybe in English, so you want to create a German or in some other like German or French version, but the whatever the business structure remains same. So what you are to can do via creating a branch and adding all the template into the branch, the same structure what it is the content based template have. So create the branch template, and you can create item based on the branch template, so that will avoid the unnecessary rework. It will save time, and it will the data will be reused. Okay, the use of branch template. I hope this demo will give you enough information about what is branch template and how to create a batch template from existing or newly created data template, and create a content based on it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Then only whatever the videos I am posting will reach you automatically. This is Satish Kumar signing off. Thank you guys. Good luck. Bye bye.